Have you ever felt when your baby is crying, it will never stop? I know I have with my toddler. She can have inconsolable cries at times, which would worry mom and I so much. When your newborn cries like this, it can feel overwhelming, especially when nothing seems to work. Trust me, every parent has gone through this. It's such a common situation that many parents end up worrying that they've missed something, or that they should be able to fix it faster. But most newborn crying comes from overwhelm, because their nervous system is still immature and learning how to cope. Even small things like bright lights, fast movement, noise from the next room, or even too much handling can push them past their limit. And when that happens, crying isn't bad behaviors, it's communication. The only way they know how at this age. And you might even notice their body feels tense, their fists are clenched, and their movements feel jerky. All completely normal. Because what they need most in that moment is containment, closeness, and simplicity. Just like any of us would want also. Bringing them close reduces sensory input and helps their nervous system feel safer. Neurons stop firing gradually, which is what helps. In fact, you'll often see the crying change first before it fully stops. That's a sign their body is beginning to settle, even if they're still upset. Look out for it. Many of us parents think this means we're doing something wrong, but in reality, it just means their system needs a bit more time. Sitting down, slowing your movement, and breathing calmly helps them regulate through you. Because you see, newborns are like sponges. They borrow tips and tricks from their caregiver because they don't know any better yet. This is why crying like this, especially in the early weeks, is very often completely normal. And it definitely doesn't need to mean that they're in pain or that you've failed at parenting. All it means is that your calm presence matters more than any technique your great aunt told you about. And as a reward for being calm and present with your child, you will see that over time, their ability to cope grows and these episodes shorten. This kind of crying is distressing, but it's usually part of normal development. And as parents, the sudden new precious priority in our lives mean that every emotion is heightened. But worrying just shows you're doing a great job.
Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more simple pediatric tips every week. See you in the next video.